How to get private server link on Roblox. Hello, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. First, go over and open your Roblox, and you can either open the app or through the browser itself. So make sure that you are logged in. Then you can head over to the game where you're wanting to create the server. Go ahead and click on servers. Now, depending on the game, the price may be free or you might need to pay. So in this game, it is free to create a server. Go ahead and click on create private server and then type in the name that you want to give the server. And then once you have typed the name, go ahead and click on buy now. You can see that you have successfully bought the private server from this game. So if you want to customize it, you can go ahead and do that. If not, go ahead and click on not now. So go ahead and refresh this and you'll see the server that you have just created. Now the total maximum number of people that can join is 16. And if you want to share this link, go ahead and click on the three dots and click on configure. So you can change the settings here, and here right now the allow joining is ticked on. So disabling this makes the private server inaccessible for you and other users that you have invited to this private server. And you can reactivate the private server at any time. So if you want to turn this friends allowed option, you can do that. If you want to add people, you can just click on it and add them manually. And to get a link, go ahead and click on generate. And you can just go ahead and copy this link by tapping this here. And then long press on it and click on copy. And you can go ahead and share this to the people that you want to invite to join your private server. So this is how to get private server link on Roblox.